Good afternoon, people. I've applied the 5 minute rule again to this cupboard because chaos and disorder will creep in if you don't refresh your organization and your organizing of the things. At some certain point it got completely just in about a couple of weeks I couldn't access these shelves, the lower shelves and things, because I put drinks here, and without thinking, I would just start putting drinks and things. And then I came back and I started reflecting again. I started thinking. I said, "Well, I want to access things easily when I want to have something to the shelves. The shelves are not yet optimized. I'm telling you, they're just like haphazard. I'm going to fix them later. But the point is, I want to get access to these shelves. Okay, look at it. I want to get access to these shelves. Now I can have access. Now everything is clear. You have toilet paper. I have kitchen rolls, more toilet paper than storage. Here I have some paper bags if I want to carry something. And I don't keep plastic bags. I don't like them. And yeah, so it's all clear. So I'm going to come back with I've documented these things on Google Drive, but I'm going to do it on paper. I want to do it on paper to have a backup on paper, because sometimes Google Drive messes up things. So you should always have paper backup. And I've put these things here. I'm going to see, because sometimes they annoy me, yeah? So you have to think through things to have them in a very easily accessible, organized way. So, and why I'm mentioning optimization in this? Why do I mention optimization all the time? Optimization means you're optimizing your space, you're optimizing your time, you optimize your time of access to things by organizing. This is the way it's done in business, in organized business, but you can apply it to your house, or we can vice versa. We learn from the house and then we apply it in some other business. So it could be, if it's a global business, they're going to save millions or hundreds of millions. If it is a household, it might save a couple thousand a year, or 3,000, or even more. When you think about it, we can compute that if you want to, but we're not going to do that at the moment. But this is another application of the 5 minute rule. A fully functional cupboard where you have your tools, things easily accessible. You want to fix something, you buy a few things that you might need, like screws and all these things, and drill and all these things, and then you have them ready. If you need them, they are there all the time. If you want to have access to your things, you have access to your things that you use every day. Referee out.